Lamborghini Belador. Lamborghini Belador has come a long way from models like the Countach and the Aventador, both iconic and showing the design language of the company. Whatever vehicle the Italian sports car company makes becomes instantly recognizable with its sharp edges and the face styling elements. The latest concept, the Lamborghini Belador, is stunning. The Lamborghini Belador concept is based on the fighting bull having the same name. It has its two-tone supercar burrows from the cars like the Aventador and the Huracan. It even has the Terzo Millennio concept and mixes it with the classic styling elements. This Model S design is inspired from the 1971 Countach. The Belador concept represents the unity between tradition and technology. This car creates a clean and sound functional design. The front portion of the car is a single-formed shell that has the front fascia, grille, and the front bumpers, along with the headlight casings. The back of the vehicle joins the front half seamlessly, and the back portion has the doors, and the whole rear region has the engine bay to the diffusers. The design of the car tells that it unites the brain and the powertrain of the car. Beneath the hood, the raging power bull would use some type of hybrid powertrain. As the concept is a hybrid engine, it thus gives the driver the best performance that you would expect from the Lamborghini. The two cuts near the engine cover would rise at high speeds to feed the combustion unit more air.
If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.